The first thing that you got to do after you set up your store is to ensure that you have your Shopify forms across your store. And to watch those videos, please do click on the links in the description below. And after you set up your Shopify forms, you start getting leads off of your Shopify form. So what happens when a Shopify form is filled up by a potential customer? To set up basic automation, you click on the left side panel, hamburger menu, or a full size menu. If you're on desktop, you get to this particular section that says apps. You have at least 3 apps. The first one is Shopify Forms, then you have Shopify Flow, and then you have Shopify Email. Shopify Flows enables the automation. Shopify Email sends and delivers the actual email, and Shopify Forms is where you collect your leads on your Shopify store. Please go to fetchprofits.com/Shopify and get yourself a copy or a free trial and get started with it. You're going to set up the first automation quickly. Just make sure you have Flow showing under apps. If you don't have it, click on apps, search for Flow, and then install it. Similarly, you'll also search for email and install it. And if you don't have Shopify Forms, or if you are getting started with Shopify Forms, make sure you install that as well. So get to apps, get to Flow, click on Flow. The first thing it will ask you to do is start building by selecting a trigger, an action that a customer potentially takes, or something happens on your store, and then there is an action that follows through whatever trigger happened before. You also have templates that you can browse. These are popular templates that most stores tend to use, but we're not going to get into templates at the moment. You're going to click out of it, going to select a trigger, and whether a customer signs up on a form or whether customer purchases something, a customer is created. You go to customer is created, and when this happens, what happens next? So you click on plus icon here and click on condition or action. Now, if you want to set up certain conditions such as a customer created and purchased an X amount of value on your store, that's when you would want to choose a condition. Or you want to set other conditions of that sort, you can think through all of those conditions and set them up. But in this case, we're going to create a very simple workflow. When a customer is created, I want to send an email to that customer. So I'm going to click on action, and I'm going to click on email, and then I'm going to click on send marketing email. Click on template and choose any kind of a template that you think is best. Welcome email with a discount. You could pick that up. You could make changes to this particular welcome email and then click on select. Once you click on select, this particular email is sent every time a customer is created on your Shopify store. You can set up conditions and further fine-tune this automation, and you can also change the types of automation that happen, in the sense, if somebody creates an account, then you would send something else. If somebody actually abandons a cart, then you would send an abandoned cart email. So this is how you set up your automation with simple native built-in tools inside Shopify, such as Shopify Forms, Shopify Flow, and Shopify Email. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing off.